Today we are going to solve the problems of miscellaneous exercise in integrals. All questions are important questions in view of your examinations. So see here, I am taking question number 18. Some also your questions are important. So see what is question number 18 here. Question number 18. Integrate with respect to x dx divided by root over sin cube x sin x plus a. अब आपको क्या करना है, ये देखना है इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में हम कैसे चेंज करें। और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के लिए जैसे अपन सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड और स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूले वगैरह के जो और ट्रिक्स हैं वो आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। सो वी आर सेइंग हियर दैट इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई इन रूट ओवर टू डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय sin x, यदि आप sin x का ऊपर नीचे यहां पर मल्टीपल कर देते हैं तो हमको मिलेगा sin raised to 4x और sin raised to 4x यदि हम कॉमन ले लेंगे तो sin square x रूट ओवर के बाहर हो गया 1 divided by sin square x, it is the form of cosec square x and dx, and 1 by sin square x we write it as cosec square x dx, and using formula sin x plus y sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, here in the places of a y in here. Now if we separate these sin x cos x divided by sin x plus cos x sin a divided by sin x, then we get in the root over cos a and here plus cot x sin a and cosec square x dx, and if we substitute cos a plus cot x sin a is equal to t, and after differentiate with respect to x to change dx we get here minus sin a, it is constant quantity, so differentiation of cos a is 0 and cot x minus cosec square x and into sin a dt divided by dx, and hence after this in next step cosec square x dx is equal to minus 1 divided by sin a dt. Substitute this value, we get I equal to minus 1 divided by sin a, integrate of 1 divided by t root over 2 raised t raised to 1 by 2 dt, and using standard formula we get t raised to minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1, and finally we get minus 2 divided by sin a t raised to 1 by 2 plus c, and substitute the value of t, and after this cot x change cos x divided by sin x, finally we write it in this form, and this is answer of this question. Now see your next problem, question number 19 is also an important question. Integrate I equal to sin inverse root x minus cos inverse root x divided by sin inverse root x plus cos inverse root x dx. Using formula we know that sin inverse root x plus cos inverse root x is equal to pi by 2, and cos inverse root x it is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. Using this next step we write the given problem as sin inverse root x minus in bracket pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x divided by pi by 2, and after breaking the bracket we get 2 sin inverse root over x minus pi by 2 divided by pi by 2 dx. In next step here it is written as 4 divided by pi integration of 1 dot sin inverse root x dx minus 1 dx, and to integrate sin inverse root x, as we know that by parts, integration by parts, if you multiply first here and taken as sin inverse root over x as the first function, then first function integrate of second function minus d by dx of first function, integrate of second function whole integration minus the integration of 1 with respect to x is minus x plus constant quantity c. Now see in your next step integration of 1 with respect to x dx, and x here we get only x sin inverse root over x minus, using substitution method here the differentiation by substitution method. If we differentiate root x, then 1 by 2 root x dx, and finally minus x plus c as well as in your previous step. See here, root x, if we cancel then only we get root x, 2 taken as a constant quantity, dx, and x can be write as root x whole square. In next step, by substitution method, put root x equal to d, differentiate with respect to x, 1 by 2 root x dx equal to dt, and dx equal to 2t dt. Hence, in next step, we get 4 divided by pi x sin inverse root over x minus half 2t square dt divided by root over 1 minus t square minus x plus c. And then finally 4 divided by pi x sin inverse root x minus, if you taken in your numerator, then we convert it as a plus minus t square, and adding 1 and subtracting 1 also, here we get 1 minus t square minus 1 divided by root over 1 minus t square dt minus x plus c. Now we convert it as our standard form, and after this, see in your next step, I equal to 4 divided by pi in bracket x sin inverse root x plus integration of, we separating here, after this 1 minus t square divided by root over 1 minus t square minus 1 divided by root over 1 minus t square dt. So we get root over 1 minus t square minus 1 divided by root over 1 minus t square dt bracket of minus x plus c. In next step, 4 divided by pi x sin inverse x using standard formula as root over a square minus x square, we know that x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square divided by 2 sin inverse x by a. So in the places of a is here 1 and in the places of x is here t. So t divided by t, root over 1 minus t square plus a square, it means 1 square divided by 2 sin inverse t divided by 1, it means plus 1 by 2 sin inverse t, and the integration of 1 divided by root over 1 minus t square is minus sin inverse t, and as well as in your previous step minus x plus c. Now see, calculate similar terms, we get and substitute the value of t equal to root over x. In next step, 4 divided by pi x sin inverse root over x plus t divided by 2 1 minus t square minus, we solve here plus 1 by 2 sin inverse t minus sin inverse t is equal to minus half sin inverse t minus x plus c, and here the value of t equal to root over x, so t square equal to x, and sin inverse root over x minus x plus c as well as in your previous step. Now here similar terms as sin inverse root x and sin inverse root x is also there. So taken as a common sin inverse root x, in bracket we get x minus half plus, if you multiply here root x in root over 1 minus x, then we get x minus x square divided by 2 bracket of minus x plus c, and after complete here 2x minus 1 divided by 2, it means 2 in bracket 2x minus 1 divided by pi sin inverse root x plus 2 divided by pi and in root over x minus x square minus x plus c is answer of this question. Now see your next question. Question number 24. See here, as the given question, root over x square plus 1 in bracket log x square plus 1 minus 2 log x divided by x raised to 4 dx. Now we want to get it as in standard form. So what we should do here? First we say it means using the properties of logarithmic rules, we get log x square plus 1 divided by log x square divided by x square. Here it means we also know log m minus log of n is equal to log of m divided by n, and your second property n log -3 dx is equal to dt, and dx divided by x cube is equal to minus half dt. So in final step we get t raised to half log dt dt, log dt, log t and dt, and by pass we get the first function taken as a log t, second function t raised to half. So first function integrate of second function minus whole integration d by dt of log t, it means 1 by t, and integral of t raised to 1 by 2, it means t raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 dt plus c, and calculate to this we get t raised to half dt plus c, and 2 by 3 here log t raised to 3 by 2 log t here, and finally also integrate to t raised to 1 by 2 we get t raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 into 2 by 3, and substitute the value of t here, we get log 1 plus 1 by x square, and here also 1 plus 1 by x square raised to 3 by 2, 2 by 3. In next step, now see here, as after substituting dx divided by x cube minus half dt t raised to 1 by 2 log t dt, by parts minus 1 by 2 log t raised to 3 by 2 plus half t after cancel, and we get 1 by 3 t raised to half dt plus c. Finally, using standard form as x raised to n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. After this, we get here I is equal to minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by x square raised to 3 by 2 plus log of in bracket 1 plus 1 by x square plus 2 by 9 in bracket 1 plus 1 by x square raised to 3 by 2. And to save this step, if you simplify here, taken as a common 1 plus 1 by x square raised to 3 by 2, we get taking common as minus 1 by 3, 1 plus 1 by x square raised to 3 by 2, we get here